Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Have you all had your breakfast, cuties? Yes? Shall we start today's session? Last class we see about playtime, right? I am your English teacher in Whittle Matriculation School. Okay? Let's recall what we studied in the last class. Okay, dears? Here is a playtime lessons. This one is a second lesson. Okay, let us recall the words we studied in the last class. Okay? First one, look and say. Last class we see about these words, right? So read and spell along with me. Okay, dears? First one is sky. First one is sky. S K Y. Sky. What is this? This one is a sky. We all see sky in our daily basis, right? In the morning time, we see the bright sky. In the night time, we see the dark sky, right? Sky. First one is sky. S-K-Y. Sky. Next one. What is this? Tank. T-A-N-K. Tank. T-A-N-K. Tank. Okay. Here is a, what is this? This one is a kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Next one. This one is a huge large tree. This one is a large tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. We all have trees in our houses, right? Everyone should plant trees in your home. Okay? This one is tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Next one. What is this? This one is bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. B-E-N-C-H. Bench. You all found bench in our classroom, right? So this one is a bench. We have bench in our classroom. Every student used to sit in a bench, right? B-E-N-C-H. Bench. This one is the children used to play in a swing. What is this? This one is swing. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. Here is a girl. Who she is? She is a girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. Okay, she is a girl. Here is a boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Okay, B-O-Y. Boy. Next one. Here is a bat. What is this? Bat. We used to play cricket using bat. Right, cuties? So, here is a bat. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Okay, here is a bat. And this one is a ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Here is also a boy. B-O-Y. Boy. Okay. Here is a, what is this? This one is a slide. This one is slide. S-L-I-D slide. slide, slide. Okay. Here is a dog. Dog is a pet animal. Everyone have pet animals in our home, right? I used to. Here is a dog. Okay. I loved to pet animals. Pet animals, anything you can grow in your houses. Dog, cat. Likewise, here is also a pet animal. This one is dog. D-O-G, dog. Do you like pet animals, dears? Do you like pet animals? Yes, we all like pet animals. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Here is top. T-O-P, top. This one is top. T-O-P, top. Here is a balloon. Here is a balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Here are how many balloons here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons are there. Okay. 5 balloons are there. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Next one. Here is a man used to sell his ice cream. This one is a bicycle. What is this? Bicycle. B-I, by. Cycle. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Bicycle. B-I, by. Cycle. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Bicycle. Here is a ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yes. What is the spelling for ice cream? I-C-E, ice. Cream. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Ice cream. I-C-E, ice. Cream. C-R-E-A-M, cream. Ice cream. Next one. Here are the marbles. M-A-R-B-L-E-S, marbles. What is this? This is a marbles. M-A-R-B-L-E-S, marbles. M-A-R-B-L-E-S, marbles. Okay. Sorry, here. Marbles. M-A-R-B-L-E-S, marbles. Okay. Here is also a ball. What is this? This one is a ball. It is in a round shape. Okay. This one is ball. Okay, dears. What is the spelling for ball? B-A-L-L, ball. What is the spelling? B-A-L-L, ball. Next one. Here is a gate. G-A-T-E, gate. What is this? This one is a gate. G-A-T-E, gate. Here is a van. What is this? This one is a van. V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. When you use it to move from one place to another or travel from one place to another, we use a van. For family vacation, we use van to travel to a long distance. So here is a van. This one is van. Next one. This one is sun. Have you seen this picture any before? Have you seen this type of sun in any of the pictures? Yes. In Chutti TV, we see this kind of sun, right? What is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. He is a sun. We see sun during the daytime. Only in the daytime we see sun. S-U-N, sun. Next one, clouds. Here are the clouds. We see the clouds in the sky. Okay. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Okay. Here are the birds. Birds flying in the sky. What is this? This one is a bird. B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Next we see, let us sing. We see in the last class, right? Clap your hands, stamp your feet, skip and run and turn around. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, hop and jump and turn about. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, bend and stretch and play the game. Okay, these are the song we see in the last session. Okay, let's see today a new lesson. Come, let us play. Come, let us play. Come, let us play. Do you like playing? Yes, we all like play. We used to play with our friends, right? We used to play with our friends. Do you used to play in your home, right? Do you used to play in your home with your sisters or brothers? Likewise, we used to play. So, let's see. Come, let us play. This is a lesson, okay? Come, let us play. C-O-M-E, come. Let us, L-E-T, let us, U-S, us, play. P-L-A-Y, play. Come, let us play. First one, here is the dog, rat, rabbit, or the ones we see in this lesson. Okay, rabbit, rat, dogs. Okay, likewise, let's start this today's session. The dogs are playing cricket. What are the dogs playing? The dogs are playing cricket. Do you see any dog playing cricket? No. So this one is an imaginary lesson. So here the dogs are playing cricket. Okay, the dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join. So only the dogs are playing cricket. The rat. Do you see rat? Do you see a rat? Yes, we all see the rat. The rat wants to join on playing cricket with dogs. Okay, the dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join with them. Okay, what she is asking, this one is a rat. Okay, this one is a rat, here is a dog. The rat asking, may I play with you? May I play with you? Or shall I play with you? Or I want to play with you? Likewise, okay, when you have to join with your friends on playing, you have to ask like this, may I play with you? May I represent rat, play with you represent the dogs. Okay, may I play with you? The dog replied, but the game has started. What it replied? But the game has already started. Which means the game is going on. The game has started. Sorry, you're late. What it is replied? Sorry. Sorry is a thing we used to tell on the apologizing matter. Okay. Sorry means apologize. But the dog said, but the game has started. Sorry, you're late. Okay, like this the dog replied. The dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join. So it asked, may I play with you? But the dog replied, but the game has started. Sorry, you're late. Sorry, you're late. Next one. The rabbit is flying a kite. The rat wants to join. Who is flying a kite? Rabbit. Here is a rabbit. This one is a rabbit. Here is a rat. So the rat wants to join with the rabbit to flying a kite. So first one, the rabbit is flying a kite. My dear cuties, do you fly a kite? Do you play with the kite? Here is a kite. Do you play with the kite? Yes, likewise, rabbit is also flying a kite. When you are play with your kite, you have to be with your mom or dad or brothers. Okay? You should not play with the kite alone. Okay, dears? So the rabbit is flying a kite. The rat wants to join with the rabbit. So it asked, may I fly your kite? May I fly your kite? May I fly your kite? The rabbit replied, but I have only one. But I have only one. The rabbit have only one kite, but the rat wants to join with the rabbit. What it replied? What the rabbit replied? The rabbit replied, but I have only one. Only one kite. It represents kite. Okay. What we see here? The rabbit is flying a kite. The rat wants to join. May I fly your kite? Asked by rat. But the rabbit replied, but I have only one. But I have only one. Next one. The monkeys are swinging on the tree. The rat wants to join. What the monkeys are doing? The monkeys are swinging on the tree. Swinging nana. Unjal. Likewise, the monkeys are swinging in the tree. The rat wants to join. The monkeys are swinging on the tree. The rat wants to join. What the rat asked? What the rat asked? May I play with you? What it asked? May I play with you? In the first one. Also it asked, may I play with you? Likewise, the rat asked here to the monkeys, because monkeys are only swinging on the tree. So the rat wants to join. May I play with you? Said by a rat to the monkeys. The monkeys replied, but rats cannot swing. But the rats cannot swing. Do you see any rats swinging on the tree? No, we don't see any rats swinging. That's why the monkey replied, but rats cannot swing. Okay. First it approaches the dogs. First the rat approaches the dog. Next it approaches a rabbit. First one dog, second one a rabbit. Third one, the rat approaches a monkey. Rat approaches a monkey. Next one, the frogs are playing hopscotch. Hopscotch means here is a hopscotch. நொண்டி விளையாடுறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? The frogs are playing hopscotch. The rat wants to join. Here are the frogs. Do you see frogs? Yes, we see frogs on the street. In our street, we see frogs. In a rainy season, we may find more frogs. Okay? The frogs are playing hopscotch. 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 H-O-P. Hopscotch. S-C-O-T-C-H. Hopscotch. Okay? The frogs are playing hopscotch. Here are the frogs playing. Here are the frogs playing hopscotch. நொண்டி விளையாடுறாங்க. The rat wants to join. The rat wants to join. So the rat asked, may I hop with you? May I hop with you? H-O-P. May I hop with you? The last one it say like, may I play with you? But here the rat asked like, may I hop with you? The frog replied, no, only two can play this game. No, only two can play this game. This game means hopscotch. Hopscotch is a game which is used to play by two members. Okay? Only two people can play this game. Which game? Hopscotch. Okay? The rat asked, may I hop with you? The frog replied, no, only two can play this game. Okay? Today your assignment is you have to send us a voice note. You have to send us a voice note about these 3 dialogues only. Okay? These 3 dialogues you have to send a voice note. Like, now let me read this. You have to send a voice note like this. Okay? Come, let us play. The dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join. May I play with you? But the game has started. Sorry, you are late. Okay? Okay dears, you have to send these 3 sentences in a voice note. Okay? We all are excited to hear your voice. Okay, you have to send a voice note about these 3 dialogues only. You have to read these 3 dialogues only. Okay, the dogs are playing cricket. The rat wants to join. May I play with you? But the game has started. Sorry, you are late. Okay children, today your assignment is these 3 lines. You have to send a voice note in our WhatsApp group. Okay, and students, those who are not paying your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.